wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Umi Kalsum with student ID 2202400046 from English Education Department. So, in this video, I would like to present my proposal in the title Learning Motivation of English Student from Broken Home Backgrounds at University of 19 November Kolaka. Okay, today let's move to background of the research. Motivation is an essential factor that determines the success of language learning and maintaining behavior to achieve goals. Students from broken home backgrounds often face psychosocial problems such as insecurity, financial problems, and emotional difficulties that divert mental energy from studying. At Universitas 19 November Kolaka, understanding how family factors affect psychological resource in motivation is very important to provide equal educational support for all students. Next is research question. In the research question, I have 3 questions. First question is, what are types of learning motivation that broken home students at USN Kolaka have? And next question is, what internal and external aspect of the broken home experience have an impact on their learning motivation? And the last question is, what is the implication of the motivational style for their participant and commitment in studying English? Okay, let's move in research objective. In research objective, we have 3 also. First is describing the motivation, profile, and the perception of ideal L2 self in students from a broken home backgrounds. Second is investigate the relationship between family variables and motivation to learn English. And the last research objective is explore support mechanisms that are considered to help reduce the negative impact on motivation. Okay, next is significance of study. From theoretical is expanding previous studies in Indonesia by using the advanced theory of second language acquisition, which is linked to family psychosocial factors, and from practically is providing information for the faculty and student affairs in creating special intervention to fulfill the emotional needs and motivation of the student population. And the next is literature review. From the literature review, we have also 3. First is broken home concept. In broken home concept, not only divorce but also prologue family disharmony. And second is impact on learners. Impact on learners is emotional vulnerability like loneliness and anxiety, concentration disorders, to low motivation that triggers skipping behaviors. And the last literature review is research gap from previous research from Arniati 2024 and Sari 2023 was mostly carried at the elementary and junior high school. This research fills a gap at the university level that demands higher independence and self-regulation. Next is conceptual framework. In conceptual framework, we have three processes. First is input. In this input, from my research is family background. In this case is broken home, and the process is interaction of psychosocial factors with motivation like ideal self and out to self. And the last process is output. Is motivation profile of English student at University 19 November Kolaka. From methodology is first is research design. In this research, I use a qualitative with intrinsic case study design for in-depth analysis of natural settings and the setting and time in English language education study program at University of 19 November Kolaka for 4 months. And the subject is active student with a broken home background selected through purposive and snowball sampling. And the instrument is self-research or human instrument, semi-structured interview, file notes, and recording tools. From data analysis is interpretive thematic analysis like transcription, coding, tensor, evaluation, and reporting. And the last is conclusion. This research aims to provide contextual solution at the higher educational level regarding the impact of broken home on learning motivation. Through a qualitative approach, it is expected to find deep insight into resilient and student learning style in facing academic challenges in the midst of family conflict. I think that's all for me. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.